Imagine being able to make money online by simply clicking one button and watching a few short video. What's not to like about that? So in a minute, I'll show you how you can watch simple videos like this and this. And like all of these guys here from all over the world, you can start generating money online. For example, this guy can earn $5, $23, and even $43. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are literally hundreds of thousands of people right here. They can earn money online by simply watching videos on this website. So here's how much money you can make just watching a single video. You may make $3 in the United States. So you can make $15 by watching 5 videos. You can earn $60 by watching 20 videos. You can also earn $150 by watching 50 videos. What's not to like about that? You may start making money online for free and from about to employ video. And as you can see, we're going to make a lot of money online. As you can see, $9 US, $5, $43, and even hundreds of dollars are available. So first and foremost, I'd like you to click on the browse icon at the top. Then you're going to visit this page. You can browse through the various categories of videos available on our website. So, if we go down below here, as you can see, there are several categories of videos that you may watch right now. And I'd like you to concentrate on the Fortnite category because it's now one of the most popular gaming videos. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on this category. This will take you to this page, which you may find in the Fortnite category. This one in particular has 62 million followers. You can view it right here. This category of videos has piqued the curiosity of a large number of individuals. So if we go down below, you can discover all of the videos that we can view and use to make money online right there. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Now let's get back to the video and let's earn some PayPal money. So for the following phase, I'd like you to go to this website, oak.io, which you can see here. So this is the website where we'll be watching short videos like this. Then as you can see, we are able to generate a lot of money online. So don't be concerned, this is an easy task. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything that's going on. So that's how it works in general. Now I'm going to show you how to create a free account on this website so that you can shorten a long URL link. Let's say I want to duplicate something. I'm going to return to this page and post the Twitch TV link right here after copying this video link. And I'm just going to shorten the link by clicking this button right here. So as you can see, this is a list of the shortened links offered by this website. I can make money online by having people click on this shortened link right here. And it all depends on who clicks on my link. I can earn a lot of money. For example, if someone from Germany clicks on my link, I'll be able to make $4. People from the United States are more likely to click on my link. I have the ability to earn $4.10. So if we look down below, you can see that I can earn varying amounts of money based on what country they're from and where they click on my link. And that's exactly all of these guys from all around the world are able to make money online. Sometimes even hundreds of dollars just by sharing a video link like this one on this page. As you can see, over 373,000 people are currently utilizing this service to generate money online. And they provide a variety of payment methods including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So right now, I'd like you to leave a comment down below and tell me what your country's favorite payment option is. So right now, I'm going to show you how to create a free account. All you have to do is go to the top of the page and click the sign up button. After that, you'll proceed to this page where you can sign up for a new membership for free. So simply type in your username and email address right here. Confirm your password right here and click this "I'm not a robot" and then click the submit button. That's all there is to it. So as you can see above, you can log into your brand new account right now. So you can see how many people really click on your link and how much money you earn right here on this website on the statistics page, which is the homepage. Because this is a new account and we haven't shortened any links, you can see that the balance is $0. So right now, I'm going to show you a real-life example. Keep watching to see everything. So first and foremost, I'd like you to return to Twitch TV under the category of Fortnite. So we're going to locate 3 videos right here. So right now, I'm clicking on this video, the first video, the second video, and the third video, all of which are right here. So as you can see, here is the first video I opened, and then this is the second video, and finally, this is the third video. So let's go back to the first video right now. I'd like you to scroll down and hit the share button once again. I also want you to take a screenshot of this video. To copy, use the copy button. Then we'll return to our dashboard, which is right here. Our account is located here. Then we'll copy and paste this Twitch TV link into this box. And I'd like you to press the shorten button. So as you can see, this website will automatically assist us in shortening this link into a much shorter acceptable link. So for the time being, I'll just go ahead and copy. Then I'd want to hand along this completed script to you. This is my Fortnite video post, which is completely free and may be copied and pasted. So right now, I'll give you an overview of the game. Then I'll say something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. And this is where we'll paste the links to the 3 films. As a result, I was able to make money online whenever anyone clicked on our link. So for example, I'm going to paste the shorter link right here under the first video. As you can see, this is my first URL link, which means that if people click on my link right here, I can earn a different amount of money depending on which country they're from. People from Norway, for example, might click on my link. I was able to make a $3 profit. So we're going to do it again right now. We're going to move on to the next video right now. Simply repeat the process by clicking the share button and copying the full URL link. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button.